And the budget has tried to be, the finance minister has tried to be as comprehensive as possible to try to reach as many sectors as possible that is given in any specific budget. Having said that, as CII Telangana, our rating for the budget is 7 out of 10. We do this as a part of our, I think overall it's a good budget. We should give it to deconstruct what we think that the finance minister has done is that she has, with various sources and means, the fundamental focus is to increase our GDP, to ensure that we as a country are growing at a good rate. So how has she done this? First, by looking at middle class salaried personnel who have taxation up to 12 lakhs, to look at reduction of tax rates and tax slabs. That's first. Second is to increase the spending on infrastructure, that is across all the states and many parts of the country, so that infrastructure also creates more investments and subsequent demand. And also in many sectors looking at customs duty waivers and import tariffs reduction for several products, so that can increase the manufacturing economy and increase the GDP. And also in agriculture specifically, in several areas there have been good recommendations. In terms of what CII has given, we welcome several aspects of this budget. We have given quite a few policy recommendations over the last few years, and several of those recommendations have been adopted by in this budget by the Union Minister. We welcome that.